Alkanes are saturated open chain hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bond. The general formula for an alkane which forms a homologous series is CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms. Alkanes show isomerism, that is, same molecular formula but difference in the structural formula, or alkanes show structural isomerism, where in the structural isomerism there is a difference in the physical properties like melting point or boiling point. In case of alkanes, the structural isomerism shown is chain isomerism. This is the structural isomerism of C5H12, where the bow structure or the first structure is pentane, having straight chain. The second structure is called 2-methyl butane, because in the parent chain there are only 4 carbon atoms and methyl is present as a branch in carbon atom 2. Similarly, the third structure is called 2,2-dimethyl propane. Based upon the number of carbon atoms attached to the carbon atom can be primary, secondary, tertiary or quaternary. The names of alkanes can be written according to the IUPAC rules of nomenclature. Thus, the name of the above compound is 2,5-dimethyl pentane. Methods of preparation of alkane. The first method is from unsaturated hydrocarbons. The reaction is called hydrogenation reaction. Dihydrogen gas adds to alkenes and even alkynes in the presence of finely divided catalysts like platinum, palladium or nickel to form alkanes. This process is called hydrogenation reaction. Second method, from alkyl halides. There are 2 ways in which alkyl halides can be converted into alkanes. In the first way, alkyl halides react with hydrogen in the presence of zinc and dilute acid to give alkanes. The second reaction is called Woods reaction. In this reaction, alkyl halides on treatment with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether give alkanes. This reaction is called Woods reaction and is used for the preparation of alkanes containing even number of carbon atoms. Third, from carboxylic acid. Here also, carboxylic acid can give alkanes in 2 ways. The first way is called decarboxylation, where a carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime. Soda lime is a mixture of calcium oxide and sodium hydroxide. Thus, in decarboxylation reaction, sodium salts of carboxylic acid on heating with soda lime give alkane containing 1 carbon atom less than the carboxylic acid. Here, carbon dioxide is eliminated from the carboxylic acid. So, the process is called decarboxylation. The second method is called Kolb's electrolytic method. Alkanes on heating with a regulated supply of dioxygen or air at high pressure and in the presence of suitable catalyst give a variety of oxidation products.